India, the golden sparrow, one of the oldest civilizations in the world, and also the largest democracy in the world. The country has been through various ages, various rules, and a very interesting history. So, let's dive into this interesting and adventurous journey and get to know the country. India's history starts on the banks of the river Indus, or Sindhu as in Sanskrit, which starts from the Himalayas. Indus River gave rise to the first civilization in India and also gave the name India. But first, let's see how the Indian subcontinent itself was formed. 140 million years ago, the supercontinent known as Gondwana land existed. The Gondwana land supercontinent was in turn a part of supercontinent named Rodinia. With Laurentia, the Indian plate was joined by Africa and Antarctican plates. In the late Cretaceous period, approximately 100 million years ago, India and Madagascar split from Africa at once. After breaking from Gondwana land, Madagascar soon split from the Indian plate, and the Indian plate began to move north towards Asia. And yes, Asia did make its way to the place where it is now. So, while moving, the Indian plate moved at a rate of 20 centimeter or 7.9 inches per year. Yeah, it's low. It moved through the Indian Ocean by 55 million years ago. In the Eocene epoch of the Cenozoic era, India at last collided with Asia, creating the highest mountains, the Himalayas. But some suggest the collision occurred way later, around 33 million years ago. The Indian plate was faster than any other plate during that time. Some say that India collided two times, once with soft collision and later the hard collision, which created the Himalayas. Some geologists also suggest that the plate was so fast that its lower part just melted away and the plate became half. The period is Paleolithic. The homini, Homos, or just humans, have reached the Indian subcontinent, which is approximately 2 million years ago. This is based on the discovery of the stone tools in Pakistan, a fossil from Narmada River basin, which is presumably of Homo heidelbergensis or Homo erectus. Until about 70,000 years ago, they scattered across the land. Soon, anatomically modern humans evolved. These were the Homo sapiens, which are we, by the way. While in the 19th century, during the archaeological excavations of India, after some time later, after the discovery of the northern sides of Indus Valley, in mid 19th century, archaeologists found hand axes in South India dating back to the Stone Age, suggesting that the homini presence in the region. Archaeology grew more detail oriented, which led to the discovery of the ancient cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. While archaeological finds they found that domestication of sheep and goat occurred during the later Paleolithic era, which was suggested from the paintings and drawings on the walls of caves all across India, even as far as the Hindu Kush mountains in the north. After some time, the land transitioned from Paleolithic into Neolithic era, the New Stone Age. The people settled on the western banks of the Indus River, marking the beginning of the Indus Valley civilizations, with Harappa as its one of the first cities. With it, agriculture spread from west to east of the Indus Valley over 2000 years after settling. As the Indus Valley civilization rose, many cities flourished in the fertile crescent of the Indus River. Cities like Harappa, Dholavira, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, etc. spread across from the peninsular Gujarat in present-day India to Balochistan in Pakistan and even further in Afghanistan. At last, the urbanization of the Bronze Age had begun. The Indus Valley civilization and the Bronze Age is one fascinating time. So let's see what happened then next time and see you later.